Dell docking stations significantly enhance productivity by enabling triple monitor setups. This video guides you through setting up 3 displays with your Dell dock for an expanded workspace. We'll focus on achieving a seamless and efficient multi-monitor experience. A Dell docking station acts as a central hub, expanding your laptop's connectivity. Key components include ports, power delivery, and display modes. Ports such as USB-C and Thunderbolt for connections, DisplayPort and HDMI for video output. Your laptop needs Thunderbolt 3 or 4 compatibility for full functionality. The docking station supports different USB connector types for versatile connections. HDMI and DisplayPort ports connect your monitors with high-quality video output. Power delivery provides up to 140 watts to charge your laptop while connected. Display modes include extended desktop across monitors and mirrored mode showing the same content. Ensure your laptop has Thunderbolt 3 or 4, and monitors have appropriate inputs like HDMI or DisplayPort. The Dell WD22TB Thunderbolt 4 docking station is ideal for setting up triple monitors. It supports up to 3 4K UHD monitors at 60 Hz through its DisplayPort and HDMI ports, providing the bandwidth needed for high-resolution displays. Your laptop must have a compatible USB-C or Thunderbolt 3.4 port to connect to the docking station. This ensures proper data transfer and video output capabilities. For optimal video output, use high-quality DisplayPort 1.4 or HDMI 2.1 cables. These support the necessary bandwidth for 4K resolutions at 60 Hz across multiple monitors. Consider daisy-chaining your monitors for simplified connections. This allows you to connect multiple displays sequentially, reducing cable clutter and using fewer ports on the docking station. The WD22TB also provides up to 140-watt power delivery to charge your laptop while connected. Use Dell Display Manager software to easily configure your multi-monitor setup and optimize display arrangements. First, connect the docking station to your laptop using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. Next, attach your monitors to the docking station's DisplayPort or HDMI ports. Then, install the necessary drivers. Dell Display Manager is recommended for optimal performance. Finally, configure your display settings in Windows Display Settings or macOS System Preferences to arrange and extend your desktop across the 3 screens. For optimal performance in triple monitor setups, set identical resolutions such as 3840 by 2160 pixels for 4K and matching refresh rates of 60 Hz on all monitors. Dell Display Manager software allows you to create custom layouts and quickly switch between different display arrangements to match your workflow needs. Bandwidth limitations mean the total resolution across all 3 monitors is capped at approximately 11,520 by 2160 pixels when using 3 4K displays. This bandwidth constraint ensures stable performance across your triple monitor Dell docking station setup. Common display issues include flickering screens or no signal at all. These often stem from loose connections or faulty cables. First, inspect your cables for damage and ensure all connections are secure. HDMI and DisplayPort cables should be high quality and properly seated in both the dock and monitors. Keep your dock's firmware up to date through Dell's support website. Also, update your laptop's graphics drivers to ensure compatibility and fix potential bugs. For bandwidth limitations, try lowering your monitor resolutions or refresh rates. This reduces the data load and can eliminate artifacts or signal loss across multiple displays. Finally, verify your laptop has the necessary ports and capabilities. Modern Dell docks require Thunderbolt 3 or 4 for full triple monitor support. Older laptops may need adapters. Dell docking stations feature AI-assisted auto-configuration that automatically detects and optimizes display settings for triple monitor setups, eliminating manual adjustments. The expanded visual workspace of triple monitors provides a significant productivity boost, with reports showing 25 to 40% improvements in task efficiency through reduced window switching and enhanced multitasking capabilities. Dell docking stations now incorporate sustainable designs using recycled materials and energy-efficient operation that consumes up to 30% less power than earlier models, supporting eco-friendly computing. Looking ahead, wireless docking is emerging as a key trend, allowing cable-free connections for greater flexibility and reduced clutter in workspaces. Support for higher resolution monitors, such as 5K and 6K displays, is expanding to provide sharper visuals and more detailed content across multiple screens. AI-driven display management is becoming standard, automatically optimizing layouts and settings to enhance productivity and user experience. Integration with cloud desktops enables secure remote access, allowing users to connect to virtual workspaces from anywhere with consistent performance. Regular firmware and driver updates are crucial for maintaining compatibility and improving performance as technology evolves. By staying informed about these trends and keeping systems updated, users can maximize the benefits of Dell triple monitor setups for years to come.